Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel, I'll be providing some stock analysis and also an update on our $1 Million Challenge, so please stay tuned. In the previous video, we did a stock analysis for ticker symbol PROG and also an update in terms of due diligence for that stock. So please refer back to the previous video for details of ticker symbol PROG, which is a potential squeeze stock. Before we start today's stock analysis, a quick update on our $1 Million Challenge. So this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using compound return investing. So we're looking to achieve 201 trades, each with an average return of approximately 3.5%, and then looking to reinvest the full amount using compound return investing. However, it's not 201 consecutive trades, it's 201 trades with an average return of around about 3.5%. We have a special spreadsheet with specially chosen stocks in there, many of them low risk, in order to achieve the 3.5%. We also have a Discord community working together in this challenge as a team to maximize information, research, trading tips, information about potential stocks to buy, and also technical analysis and chart analysis with additional information such as opportunity to ask questions. So we have a dedicated area in the challenge now. This includes FAQs, an agreement area, stock spreadsheet. You can share your buys in the area, king alerts and queen alerts, which will be shared once you join. And we also have a leaderboard and update section in this dedicated area. If anybody's interested, details in the description below. Today's stock analysis is for ticker symbol MMAT Meta Materials. This is a stock that has been featured a few times on this channel. In one of my previous videos, I did a detailed calculation of a potential dividend, so please refer back to that. We're going to have a little bit of an update on the dividend in today's video to start with as well. And just a reminder for anybody who's not aware in terms of the dividend, I'm just going to share with you on the screen the criteria laid out at time of investing in Torch. So we can see here, Torchlight shareholders on the record date will be entitled to receive a preferred stock dividend payable immediately prior to the close of transaction. That entitles them to their pro rata share of proceeds resulting from any sale of Torchlight oil and gas assets. So again, confirmation here that they do have oil and gas assets. So I expect any sale to take into account the value of oil and the value of gas that occurs on the earlier of December the 31st or 6 months from the closing date of the transaction. And after as such time, if the sales are not complete, the entitled to receive a pro rata equity interest in a spin-off entity that holds Torchlight remaining oil and gas assets subject to certain conditions. So there is a little bit of a caveat at the end there. But let's now have a look at the potential price of oil and gas. On the screen here, you'll be able to see from Bloomberg the latest price of oil in terms of around about 1st of October 2021. When I did my dividend calculation video, the price of oil was judged to be around about $70 per barrel. However, what we can see now, this has gone up to around about $75 per barrel. So good news in terms of a potential dividend. The other good news is with regards to the price of gas, and I'm sure you're all aware the price of gas is rocketing worldwide, so that should also have a potential good news catalyst for us in terms of the dividend. Let's just have a look at a quick headline with regard to gas. So the headline here, which is from the Wall Street Journal, we can see investors see natural gas spilling into crude market lifting oil prices. So what we can see here also is the Hurricane Ida impact in terms of pushing up oil price forecast, and crude oil currently is trading near a 3-year high. So in terms of the potential dividend, this should increase the value of the assets, should also increase the possible sale of price of the assets for gas and oil, giving us potentially higher dividend amount. The next update I'd like to share with you with regard to Meta Materials MMAT is with regard to Nanotech Security. This was a recent acquisition, and what I can share with you is 2 contracts have been awarded, one for $3.7 million and one for $3.2 million, and these are from the US Bureau of Engraving and Printing. So let's have a look at the details here on the screen. So on the screen here, you'll be able to see confirmation of the order. Both orders were dated 30th of September 2021. So good news here, and we can see confirmation here. The orders are from the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, one for $3.278 million and one for $3.75 million. So Meta Materials is now in the process of generating revenue. There will be more contracts, there will be more expansion, there will be more growth. So this is tremendous news. It's a small step, but it's a positive step. What I'd now like to do is finish off by sharing the latest tweet from Eho with regard to ticker symbol MMAT, and what he said here in his latest tweet is MMAT short interest is $126 million. We have 21.77 million shares floated, 9.17% short interest of the float, 8.4% of S3 short interest float. The fee is 9.07%. Shares shorted down around 4 million shares worth $21 million, which is a movement down just in excess of 14% compared to the previous week. The shorts were up just in excess of $63 million because we did see a little bit of a movement down in the price. In 2021 here, mark-to-market profits, including 8 million on today's fall in terms of the share price. And we're referring to the Friday share price, where it did go down around about 6%. However, over the month, it's certainly looking a lot more positive here. So on the chart which Eho has shared, we can see the overall price momentum for Meta is positive, it is bullish, and we can see the yellow line, which is the short interest shares, and the price kind of matching together around about the 27th of September. So general momentum is good. However, the shorts did have a good day on the Friday. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.